Hey guys, Derek here, and I want to share a little thing with you, an improvement I made on my Toyota Tundra. So I've had this since December 2013. It's got a few miles on it. Don't plan on selling it anytime soon, and I noticed the headlights had yellowed a little bit, but I didn't realize how bad they were until I put in this light bar on the bumper under here. Took a trip out to Utah, and as we cross Nevada sometimes at night that it's really dark and it's nice having some extra light. But so what I found is when I turned the light bar off, I could hardly see where I was going. My lights were just these dim little spots on the road and very, very yellow. So let me show you what I did, and the solution made my headlights look great. I'm really, really impressed with this. It's easy $10 fix. Now, I definitely should have taken a before picture of this, but I didn't. I've had this truck for 8 years now, and the headlamps were yellowed across here. They were so bad that when you looked in it, you couldn't see the projector beam that is back there. And so I bought this kit at the auto parts store. It's a 3M kit. It's a few bucks more than some of the other ones, but here's what came in it. So obviously some instructions there. It comes with a little foam pad with Velcro on it and 2 sanding pads. One disc is 1,000 and one is a 3,000 grit disc. So you'll provide some masking tape and a spray bottle. I just taped off around it, tells you to tape off around here where you're going to be working, so that if you bump into it with a sanding pad that you don't scratch your paint, and when you're putting the clear coat on it that you don't get any of that on your paint or your trim. So just took about 5 minutes, sprayed a little bit of water on the headlight and sanded it, and then switched the pad and once again, water on it, and sanded it with a 3000 to get all of the yellow crap off of there and smooth it out. It looked a little foggy and milky. To be honest, I wasn't really too excited about how it was gonna look. I'm like, yeah, this can't come out that good. But they give you these little pads. These are kind of like a hand wipe. You open up the package and you just take this out. You want to wear gloves when you're doing this. And I'm not going to run it now because I'm all done, but I just started around the edges and wiped it on there, and then you just run it across and do about a 25% overlap on it, 50% overlap, and you do that. There's 2 of them, and so you do it one package on both headlights, and then wait 15 minutes for it to dry, and then come back and do the second one. And as you can see here, they came out really, really nice. The headlights, they look pretty dang good. I did get a little bit I kind of went back to try to fix stuff up on, I don't know if you can see there, got a little bit streaking in it. But compared to what it was, you kind of see right there looking through, there's a little bit of streaking. But I'm really excited to go out and see how they look at night and how much more light I've got going through there. I didn't realize how bad they have got. So this kit, there's a link in the description for this on Amazon. It's 10 bucks. Like I said, it's about a half hour, 45 minutes worth of work. You'll need a spray bottle and some masking tape. Other than that, everything else is in the kit, and make your headlights look nice and shiny and new again.